Good evening, students. So today in this video we will discuss about discount. In the earlier part of the video we have discussed profit and loss, that is part 1 video. Now this is part 2 in which we will discuss discount. So before discussing discount, let us discuss about the important topics related to discount. These are mark price, list price, discount. So let us discuss about the mark price first. In big shops and departmental stores, every article is tagged with a card and its price is written on it, and this is called the mark price of that article. For book, it is the printed price of the book is called its mark price. Now let us discuss about list price. Items which are manufactured in a factory are marked with a price according to the list supplied by the factory at which retailer is supposed to sell them, and this price is known as the list price of the article. Now here comes with our main topic, that is discount. In order to increase the sale or clear the old stock, sometimes the shopkeeper offers a certain percentage of rebate on a mark price, and this rebate is called discount. There is one important fact also, students, that is the discount is always reckoned on the mark price. Remember this thing, it is very important that the discount is always reckoned on mark price, and in order to get the selling price of an article, it will be the mark price minus discount. When we subtract the amount of discount with the mark price, we will get the selling price of the article. Now let us see some questions, solve some questions pertaining to discounts. Now students, the first question is, the mark price of a ceiling fan is 1250 and the shopkeeper allows a discount of 6% on it. You have to find the selling price of the fan. So already it is given that mark price is 1250 and the discount percent is 6%. Now let us calculate the discount first. So discount will be calculated on the mark price. So it is 6% of mark price. So after calculating, how much we get? We get rupees 75. So the discount price is rupees 75. Now when we subtract the discount with the mark price, we will get the selling price. So after subtracting the discount, that is rupees 75, with the mark price, that is 1250, I get 1175, and that is the final selling price of the fan. Now let us discuss next question. So our next question is, how much percent above the cost price should a shopkeeper mark his good, so that after allowing a discount of 25% on the mark price, he gains 20%. It means that after allowing a discount also, the shopkeeper will gain a 20%. So let's see how we will solve this question. So here we have assumed that let the cost price be rupees 100. Now if the cost price is rupees 100, now the required gain here, it is given that 20%. So I have written required gain is 20%. So selling price will be, of course, it becomes 120. After calculating it, we will get 120 as its selling price. Let the mark price be X. Now a discount of 25% is given on mark price. So how much it? So after calculating, we get 25% of X. After calculating, I got X by 4. So X by 4 is the discount. Now in order to calculate the selling price, what I will do, I will subtract the discount with the mark price. Mark price I have already assumed X, and discount we have calculated as X by 4. So selling price will be 3X by 4. Already we got a selling price, that is 120, and here we got a selling price of rupees 3X by 4. So what will be the value of X? The value of X will be 160. Therefore the mark price of the article is 160, which is 60% above the cost price. I think so you have understood the question. Now let us solve a next question. Now in this question, students, there is a term known as successive discount. Now what is successive discount? Now in order to sell its good, a shopkeeper give discount on discount. It means that once he has already given a discount, when the article will not sold after that discount, shopkeeper allowed another discount, and that discount, that both discount are termed as successive discount. Sometimes shopkeeper gives 2 discounts, 3 discounts, 4 discounts also in order to clear his stock. Now here the question is telling me that find the single discount which is equivalent to 2 successive discounts of 20% and 10%. Now in order to calculate a single discount which is equivalent to 2 successive discount, that is 20% and 10%, how we will solve this question? Let's see. So let the mark price of the article be rupees 100. Here we have assumed the mark price as rupees 100. Now we have given the first discount, that is 20%. So how much that is? That is rupees 20. Now after subtracting it with the mark price, I got the selling price, that is rupees 80. Now shopkeeper find it that after selling it at rupees 80, the article is still remains in the stock. It is not yet sold. It is not yet sold. Therefore the shopkeeper allows the next discount, that is how much? That is 10%. So we have to calculate the second discount, that is 10% on rupees 80, that is the new mark price. So after calculating the second discount, I got rupees 8. Rupees 8 is the second discount which a shopkeeper give. Now the price after the second discount will be rupees 72, subtracting it with the mark price, that is rupees 80. Now this is the final price in which the shopkeeper will sold his article in order to clear the stock. So the net selling price is rupees 72, and what we have assumed? We have assumed the price of that article is 100, and now we are selling it at rupees 72. So how much discount we have given it? How much single discount we have given it? So we will subtract the net selling price with the original price, that is 100 minus 72, 100 minus 72, and that will be equals to 28%. So 28% is the single equivalent discount which is equal to 2 successive discounts of rupees 20%, sorry, of 20% and 10%. So I hope that students, you have understood the concept of discount, and you may able to solve exercise 10B class 8 R.S. Agarwal book. Have a nice day, students. Stay safe at home. Thank you.